Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Volvo XC90 2.4 diesel. The fuel filter on this car is located on the bottom of the car, just next to the fuel tank. The location of it is right there. There is a cap on the fuel filter, and first we're going to remove that cap. We're just going to turn it anti-clockwise and remove it, and we'll let all the fuel come out of the fuel filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Once all the fuel is out, we're going to remove the fuel filter cap and replace the fuel filter. I'm going to use this chain to turn the fuel filter. You might want to use something else if you have. It doesn't matter as long as it does the job. That's the fuel filter cap loose, so now we're going to remove it completely. That's the fuel filter cap out, and this is the fuel filter. Now we're going to pull it out, and that's the old fuel filter. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new fuel filter. We're going to remove this O-ring as well, and now we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the part number for the new fuel filter. To put on the new filter, you need to put it in place and then push it in all the way and replace the O-ring, and next put on the fuel filter cap. Now we're going to tighten the fuel filter cap, and then we're going to put on the small cap on the bottom of the fuel filter, and then we're done with replacing the fuel filter. Next, we're going to go into the car and try to start the engine. This car has electric fuel pump, so when we go into the car, we need to turn the ignition on and off for about 10 to 15 times. when you turn the ignition on, hold it for about 4 or 5 seconds and then turn it off, and then turn it on again, and then turn it off, and then turn it on again, like that 10 to 15 times, and then you can start the car. Now that we've done the turning on and off of the ignition for about 10 to 15 times, next we're gonna go start the car, and then maybe press the accelerator pedal for a little bit, hold it a little bit at 3000 RPM just in case, and then we're done with bleeding the system. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.